As far as the Pune Porsche tragedy is concerned, which sent shockwaves across the nation, in the latest update in the case, the district administration has taken action both against the bars which allegedly served liquor to the minors. Both the bars have now been sealed. This is the action that has now been initiated on part of multiple arrests as well that have taken up by the police. Let's get you the update where the massive outrage that we're looking in the car crash, the Maharashtra government has also swung into action. There are bulldozer action that are now taken up against these illegal pubs. Of course, the statement that was issued on part of the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Now we are told that notice has been sent across to such bars and pubs who were working probably without any license. And even when it comes to Arunil and Abhishek both joining us live right now, because Abhishek, as we are looking at this action that has now been initiated, of course, when it comes to those pubs as well, who without checking the identity, who without checking the age of any individual were giving them or were serving them liquor, we are looking at action that has now been taken up.
See, definitely, but it is of no use, I would say, because this action, if it would have been taken earlier, those two precious lives would have been saved. And apart from not only this action, there are administrative lapses at every level, right from one, that is RTO. Why couldn't the RTO identify the car, such an expensive car running from March 20th onwards, in the city of Pune without a number plate? Is shocking. No action was initiated against it. Then we look at this pub, not even one, both the pubs consecutively where the minor drank liquor, both of them served the liquor without identifying his age. And also we can also say that, there was no checks on drink and driving at particular places and important places, which, has been now initiated after the press conference yesterday by the Home Minister and Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis.
These actions... there needs to be an example that needs to be set, because yes, this incident has happened and it is highly unfortunate, two innocent lives that have been lost, but more such shouldn't happen in the near future. We're looking at such action that has been initiated.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile?
It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
But plates?
Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स. टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.